Are you struggling with your Ring doorbell not detecting motion? You're not alone. Many users encounter this frustrating issue, but don't worry. We present a comprehensive guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve it step by step. First, let's look at how the Ring doorbell detects motion. It uses passive infrared sensors that monitor heat changes. However, they can trigger false alarms during the day due to sunlight or moving objects. Advanced motion detection contributes to accuracy by differentiating between people and other objects. To start troubleshooting, first ensure that motion alerts are enabled in the Ring app. A surprising 90% of motion detection issues stem from users disabling these alerts. Check by selecting your camera in the app and ensuring both motion alerts and Ring alerts are turned on. Next, test your camera by walking in front of it. Make sure it detects motion by sending you an instant alert. If not, you may need to reposition the camera. It works best with a clear line of sight, avoiding glass or reflective surfaces. Adjust the motion frequency to frequent in the app to keep your camera always scanning for motion. Next, check the people-only mode in the Smart Alerts section. Disabling it may allow the camera to detect motion more effectively. Review your motion sensitivity settings. If set too low, it might not pick up on subtle movements. Slide it to a higher sensitivity to improve detection. Additionally, double-check your motion zones. Ensure the areas you want to monitor are properly defined in the app. If you have a Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, set up the 3D motion detection zones carefully. Inspect the camera mount and angle. Sometimes a small adjustment can significantly impact detection capabilities. Confirm if any motion schedules are inadvertently turned on in the app. If so, disable them and retest. Next, verify that your Ring doorbell has a strong Wi-Fi connection. Check the signal strength in the app. A weak signal can delay or prevent motion notifications. Also, ensure notification settings are enabled both in the app and on your smartphone. If Do Not Disturb mode is active, turn it off to receive alerts. If alerts still aren't coming through, check app settings. Ensure the Ring app has permission to send notifications. You may also need to restart your smartphone. Don't forget to update the firmware of your Ring doorbell. An outdated version can result in functionality issues. Try restarting your doorbell by rebooting it in the app, removing the batteries, or disconnecting the power source. Finally, if everything else fails, perform a factory reset to return the doorbell to its default settings. After resetting, set it up again in the Ring app. In conclusion, following these steps can help restore the motion detection feature on your Ring doorbell. If you're still facing issues, consider upgrading your doorbell or improving your Wi-Fi network, as these components are often the root of the problem. Are you ready to get your Ring doorbell working correctly again? Start troubleshooting today.